guys, welcome back to my channel. It is a thrift haul once again. So I'm really excited to share these with you, and without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so first up is my lovely baskets. Now I feel like these baskets are ones that they kind of sell. I think I've seen like at Walmart or whatever, but this was a bundle deal for $4.99, so I got 2 baskets for the price of $4.99. Really happy that I picked these up because honestly, I need baskets. Mostly to hide things, but I think baskets are a really nice way to clean up your not so nice areas in your house. All right, next up is this little cute adorable jug. I loved the color of it and just the style of it too. I was just like, oh, this was made for me. It's so nice. And I was just like, I need to add this to my collection. This was only $2.99 by the way. So I think that's actually a great price for this. All right, next we have these little tiny bowls. Now I have no idea, and when I say no idea, I mean no idea what these were originally used for. I don't know if they were like maybe like spice bowls or something like that, but like they're so cute. I feel like the speckled look is just very in right now, so I really liked that detailing on it. I just like them as like decor pieces, just putting them on like a shelf or maybe like on a little entryway table or something. So these little tiny things were actually $2.99 for this set, so not too bad in my opinion, so I'm really happy about this. All right, next up we have 2 of the same item, which are these. Funny enough, I felt like they should have been sold as a pair, however they weren't. Just odd. These are the exact same except one is a different height, one's smaller and one's bigger. So this one was $2.99 and then this one was $2.99. Right. Next up is this. So let me first say that for this, crazy price. But I don't feel like I have enough unique items such as this. So this was $9.99. It's small, but I love the design. It screamed boho for me. I have no idea if it's something like really expensive or if it was handmade. It does have the word bellow on it. It's one of those things where if you love it so much, you just have to get it no matter what the price is. So this was one of those things for me. Next up is another candlestick holder because I'm a little obsessed with candlesticks too. So this one has a little finger hold so you can actually walk around with it. It looks like Christmassy, like if you see the detailing on it. Reminds me, I can't think of the word. I literally can't think of the word. Anyways, I was really happy to pick this up. This one was $2.99 by the way. So again, just really love candlestick holders. All right, next up, this wooden bowl. Thought it was so cute. I probably mentioned this before, but I am very much into natural wood. You could probably put like your keys or anything like that. So I think this would just be a great decor piece for like a living room or an entryway. So more into wood themed items. I actually saw this and picked this up. So I've seen these items before. I just love the style of it. And it's got some storage on the bottom here. This will definitely be some kind of an upcycle for me. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with it as far as like color and everything like that, but I was really just awestruck by this. But I'm excited nonetheless to actually try something, and so this will probably be an upcoming DIY thrift flip. All right, next up, so I picked this up knowing full well this was probably not the way it was supposed to come, like there's something clearly missing, but at the same time, I will say like, I liked the fact that it kind of almost looks like a moon to me. With that being said, like I could potentially find something to put in here, but at the same time, I might just put this on my shelf and just leave it as is. I think it's cute. You be the judge, obviously. Could be a potential thrift flip too. I'll keep you posted. So normally I don't actually shop for like linens or anything like that, but could not walk away without getting this pillow. Like, oh, what? I'm obsessed with like boho style pillows and lines like this and like Aztec prints and African mud cloth. So when I saw this, I was just like, yes. And I looked at the price too, $3.99 for this pillow. So the great thing about this is actually it's a pillow cover, so I can just take it off and wash it in the washing machine. This pillow is honestly one of my favorite pieces that I picked up, so I'm really excited that I actually got this. All right, so next we're gonna get into the kitchen items. And the reason why I picked up some kitchen items is actually because we are doing over our kitchen. So hopefully by the time you're seeing this, part 1 of the kitchen makeover will be coming up next week. So one of the things I bought was this tray. Now this tray was clearly part of a tea set that is not there, unfortunately. So the back of it says Tea Forte, the art of tea, but again, love that wood look. So I thought this would be just a really nice display tray for some stuff like cream and sugar and other items. Really happy I picked this up. This was really cute, and I think it will go great for our little DIY coffee bar. This tray, by the way, was only $1.99. Next up, I thought, what is a coffee bar without mugs? Now, I might be living like, you know, under a rock or something like that, but I've never heard of Sir Madam. But they have so many mugs here at the bougie thrift store. So the design is called Cairo. So this is the design. I was looking for something a little bit different and something like cool and funky, and I think I accomplished that with this one. But they're huge, and I actually haven't shown my husband these yet, but I think he's gonna be happy with the size of these. I got 2 of the same style, and they were 69 cents a piece. So huge mug for 69 cents. Okay, last up in the kitchen items was a wooden bowl set. This wooden bowl set, I was so happy I picked this up. So 4 bowls that look like they're the same size, then this bowl, and then it comes with a wooden sport. This wood, I just love like the different tones. It's just so gorgeous. I feel like the possibilities are endless with wooden bowls, but I'm really, really, really happy that I got a kitchen set. $14.99 for this entire set, I thought was a pretty good price. All right, guys, that is it for the thrift haul today, but thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if thrift hauls are your thing, definitely make sure you give this video a like. Also, if you're not subscribed, if I pass that vibe check for you, definitely make sure you're subscribed and you hit the little notification bell so you're in the know when I post again. As I mentioned before, my kitchen makeover is going to be coming out on my channel soon, and I will be styling some of these things in my kitchen too, so I'm really excited to share with you how I style up my pieces as well. This has been fun as always, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys!